Can I get it up? Will it start? Will it not? We'll find that out. Did that pop? Anyone know a leather repair guy? I've got 2 batteries. That's got the key to a very special car. Bit of a rundown with this one. This is actually a barn find. I'm a little bit annoyed because the dealer beat me to it. So it was part of a collection, and then the owner of the collection passed away. Dealer through connections were able to get hold of it. I wanted to see it firsthand amongst all the other collections, but he's brought it here for us today, luckily, to work on it. He's entrusted in us to work on it. Oh, this is an iconic car, this. I mean, car enthusiasts, when you see this, you'll just be... Have you guessed what it is yet? I love what I do, I really do. An E36 M3. Convertible. It has had a cover on it for I don't know how many years, but even with the cover on it, you can see all the dirt, all the dust, cobwebs. I mean, what's happened to this convertible roof? That shouldn't be like that if it's been stored for a long time. Let us know in the comments, guys, if that's a common fault or not. I think this is going to have to get replaced anyway, but we are going to lift the convertible roof up. We're going to have to clean the engine bay. Probably have to machine polish it as well. What's the interior like?
Whoa.
Oh, that's a step back in time, that. Oh, it's got the original mats as well. Nothing a bit of all-purpose cleaner can't solve there. Yeah, that's an easy fix. Anyone know a leather repair guy? Steering wheel's worn quite a bit. So it has been driven, which is good. It's not just been bought and stored somewhere, so that's good to know. That has been enjoyed and then collected and then dry stored. You can tell that.
Checking the middle console.
Oh! How old the juice is in this? What's that?
Oh, that's grotty.
Fermented juice. Should we have a swig? This could be one of my 5 a day.
You don't actually do this.
It was made in 1998, so the dealers told me, and it's such an iconic shape. I mean, car enthusiasts worldwide absolutely love these M3s. The way the world's going with modern cars. They're all electric, hybrids. They lost the feel of the road. This is just stunning. Oh, let's have a look at the engine bay. Did that pop?
I heard a pop, yeah.
Did ya? There she is. That's not too bad. Dealer said I had a cover on it. Again, I wanted to see this firsthand. He did tell me on the phone months back, you know, him looking at car collection and going around and seeing if he could do anything or buy any of the vehicles. Looking good to me. It just needs a really nice tidy up, this, to be honest. So that's chemical stain in there. Look in the boot. Ready to see some dead bodies in here. You're not getting many bodies in that boot, are you? I've got a battery down here and a battery down there. If anyone knows why we've got 2 batteries, let me know. So back in the day, 0 to 60 times on these were about just over 5.5 seconds, which is pretty good really when you, even to modern standards, it's not super slow.
These wing mirrors are like the sickest thing.
Oh yeah, fun facts about them wing mirrors. I had very similar, if not the same wing mirrors on my Corsa. That crashed. So plan for today then is going to do a safe wash, decon, machine polish, including the engine bay like I mentioned before, get some interior work as well. There's certain areas you're going to have to be really careful. Don't want to make it any worse than it already is. Knows what's going to be going on with this roof. Can I get it up? Will it start? Will it not? Find that out. There's problems, right? But we're going to solve them together. That's part of this video. If you want to know how to safely clean, prep your car, chemically decontaminate it, click the link below, follow the instructions, and you'll get that PDF sent to you for free. For free! Apparently this is one of, he said, about 18 cars in the guy's passed away's collection. This guy has actually got some cars that are classed as British heritage vehicles, which means they are incredibly rare and incredibly super sought after. To be in a position where people trust us to work, well, trust me to work on these types of cars, bikes, you name it. I mean, really love what I do. Use a bit of shampoo for the wheels because I don't want to use any other wheel cleaners because I'm being super careful. I could use a bit of APC, but I'm going to go least aggressive method humanly possible for these wheels because they're not that bad. I am probably going to spray a bit of fallout on them as well, just on the wheel faces, just sort of see where we're at. Let me take the bulk of it off. I'll spray a bit of citrus on the face of the wheels, but for the actual chrome, I'm going to be using just a bit of shampoo. Better safe than sorry, right? With your pump sprayers, make sure you leave a bit of an air gap, fill it all the way to the top. You're pumping away, and then you're wondering why it's not spraying, right? Because you've not left yourself enough sort of air gap. Push that down. And if you're wondering what this is, DAF2D2 pump sprayer.
What did you call it? DAF2D2?
DAF2D2. So, Darth Vader,
yeah,
that's crossed with
R2D2.
R2D2.
But what's the ones that are off Doctor Who?
Dalek.
Dalek, that's
yes,
what it is. Alright, grow up and clean the car.
Alright, boss. Ran out of Car Pro Pearl's bug out, and all I've done is I've just filled it with a bit of EZ Car Care citrus pre-wash, a bit of water, because that's all it basically is. Sort of a bug remover. It's basically just a strong pre-wash. Felt like I had to explain that because someone's going to go, why are you spraying bug remover on wheels? It's empty bug remover bottle that I've put citrus in. So this is why Elliot, every time he goes in my van, he's like, is this what it is? Is it?
Every time.
Every time. Like, is this definitely what it says in the bottle? Sometimes it isn't. All the way to the back. I mean, these wheels are proper sought after wheels. People love these wheels. Now, I'm not going batshit crazy because these are quite aggressive bristles. They're very hard bristles. I see on these TikTok and all these clips of people absolutely going batshit crazy. I know you've got 27 cars to do in a day, but calm the f down. So I've lost my angle attachment, so I'm just going to stick my short trigger in the arch. Whoops. Right, okay, so that's what I'm going to do for the wheels. Continue that all the way around. And then move on to the pre, of the wash, of the snow, of the foam, of the contact, of the wash, of the brush, of the work. If you want to know how to do it, there'll be a link below on how you can do it on your car. Elliot, found it!
Hey.
I knew you didn't forget it. Honestly, let me show you how good these are. It's all about angles, mate. Look at that. Woo! That's what we want. There we go. Someone said something to me once. Sometimes you just got to appreciate where you are and what you've got. Don't always think too far ahead. So it's just good sometimes, like a moment now and again. So when I was doing crappy, shitty mini valets and some horrible cars and people didn't pay me, or they were complaining about the job when they spent fucking like a tenner. Years have gone by and, you know, people recommending you, you're getting classic cars, you're working some absolutely just amazing vehicles. Do you know what I'm trying to say?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That all led to you meeting me. I get what you're trying to say. Right?
Saying don't power wash convertible roofs because they're literally going point blank range and they're just being an arsehole with it, okay? Just take your time, be gentle. Bubble time. Wheels done, arches done, pre-wash done, removed most of all the dirt and dust. Now I'm going to contact wash your car, removed a lot of the dirt and dust off the roof as well. It's going to be fun trying to see if this convertible roof works. I hope it does. Down a bit of iron fallout remover with EZ Car Care's Aurora, and while that's dwelling I'm going to be doing a bit more on the roof. Now I have used my wash mitt like I've done on the rest of the bodywork, but there's still a bit of dust and dirt and just stuff I don't want on there, so I'm going to have to get my brushes out and really go at that while the fallout is dwelling, if that makes sense.
How long do you leave fallout to dwell?
In this weather, no more than 5 minutes. big taker when it comes to chemicals when you clean your car is just don't let them dry. Because if you do, they're going to stain and they're going to be an absolute nightmare to remove depending on what chemical or product you're using. Let me know as well, guys, what how-to videos you want to see. Do you want to know how to safely clean convertible roofs? Do you want to learn how to safely do engine bays? Whatever it is, let me know and I'll do those videos for you. But do comment, do engage with our stuff, because then it allows me to do the content that you want to see and reply to every single comment. Fucking lost it again. I had it a minute ago. Oh mate, I'm super monging it right now. The fuck? Mate, am I going doolally?
No, I was the same my first time, mate.
Mate, I wish you weren't recording right now. Where's it gone? It can't have moved. Mate, the first time, I've never touched this car before. Boom, bonnet up. Yes! Whatever you do not do this at home. I'm a trained professional. Reply to every single comment, even hateful ones about snow foam and engine bays. So what I'm going to do now, with all my sort of wheel brushes, going to go around underneath ever so slightly, nice and gently, go around, contact all the rubbers, the hoses, the plastics, safely mist the engine bay to remove all the dirt and snow foam. Not super pressure washer in it, you'll see that in a minute. That's all I need to do. Gloss the engine bay, rinse that. I'm not showing you because it's very boring, but what we are going to do now is snow foam the whole car, everyone's favourite bit because that's not boring, and then we're going to clay bar the car in preparation for polishing. Now, quick rinse, Instagloss, rinse, dry, prep, in, out of the weather, because it is going to rain apparently. Yeah, it's going to rain. The car's been dried and panel wiped off camera. Like I said, started raining outside, had to quickly get it inside, rushed it inside, and now we're going to do some machine polishing. But we've done the engine bay like you've seen, we've done the decon, that's done very well, we've done every little bit. We had the convertible roof up, wiped that down, and now, like I said, we're back inside. So, it's been a bit of all over the place today, that's why me and Elliot hasn't really caught everything, but yeah. So I'm going in with Koch Chemi's One Cut and Finish. Brilliant product, it's got a carnauba wax in it as well. That's for the actual finish. So get in the car, we'll stop talking and get amongst it because we're losing time. Super glossy. That's the M3 done for the day. Don't know why I did that, but I just did. My favourite bit as always, gonna pull it out so you can get the after shots. I'm the only one who watches them, but anyway, if you do like this video, like, subscribe, all that type of stuff. There is free content for you below this video. Click that, it's all there for you. Thank you, I love you all. And James, stop talking, show me the car. All right, hold on.